What's up everyone, CSF Productions coming at you once again, and today we're going to do the mid-pipe install. This is the mid-pipe that I was talking to you guys about in my review of the Forester, 2017 Forester, and I just want to show you the mid-pipe before it goes into the car, onto the car. So here it is, here are the ends. These go to each of the sides of the mufflers, the hanger, and you notice that this is the mid-pipe from an STI, sorry, a WRX. The WRX doesn't have the extra resonator in the middle. This is a WRX bar, where the STI bar actually has a resonator, so reduces some noise. I purposely got this WRX one because it didn't have the resonator, so that I can give it a little bit more tone. I do have the mufflers from the WRX, but I'm choosing not to put them on because from what I read in the forums, there's a lot of drone that comes out of the mufflers once you install those as well. So I'm just going with the mid-pipe, adding a little bit more tone to the vehicle, and I'll shoot some before and after sound clips for you guys as well. So hopefully I can film a little bit of the install at the muffler shop, or at my mechanics, sorry, and we'll see how it goes, and I'll show you some clips of the after as well. Thank you so much, guys. Take care.